Microsoft is the latest company to use the power of weather to better protect users from cybersecurity threats. Starting April 2023, Microsoft has adopted a new threat taxonomy which is based on common weather events, making it easier to identify security threats and what they may involve. The new taxonomies are the following: typhoon, China, sandstorm, Iran, rain, Lebanon, sleet, North Korea, blizzard, Russia, hail, South Korea, dust, Turkey, and cyclone, Vietnam. Each of these weather-based threat taxonomies feature an accompanying icon to easily identify the country and the associated threats. For instance, the Iranian threat actor, which was formerly known as phosphorus, is now referred to as mid-sandstorm. The term itself provides an indication of its country of origin and likely security threats. Other changes include tempest, financially motivated threats, tsunami, PSOAs, flood, influence operations, and storm, groups in development. For storm threats, they will be given a series of numbers, storm hash, ahead of proper categorization once more details have been revealed. At present time, Microsoft tracks over 300 distinct threat actors, such as 160 nation-state actors and 50 ransomware groups. Corporate VP of Microsoft Threat Intelligence, John Lambert, recommends that customers and professionals read through the blog posts they've created to help make the transition period easier. Staying safe on the web is an important topic, and it's reassuring to know that established companies like Microsoft are continuing to find innovative solutions to better protect users. Microsoft's implementation of their weather-based threat taxonomy is certainly a step in the right direction. As such, we recommend investing in the best endpoint protection and firewalls available to ensure your digital safety and peace of mind going forward.